Stone and marble are among the materials that are very popular in home decor, but both have some qualities that can make them not so user-friendly. Here to tell us how we can still get that look in our homes without all the hassle is Kate Spencer from Tile Outlets of America. Great to have you with us.
Thank you.
We love the decorating tips. Yes. So how do we recreate the looks of those other surfaces with porcelain?
Without the headache.
Without the headache, absolutely. I think that's the beauty of what we're actually doing right now, the technology, is allowing you to go out and the factories to go out and pick a really beautiful stone that's been around forever and to create that in a porcelain tile without the maintenance.
Okay, that is sounds like a great way to do it. Let's start with marble.
Yes.
The marble look.
The marble look is great. And again, you know, marble looks are something that, you know, have been around forever. And if you don't want that maintenance of polishing them and cleaning them and, you know, making sure that you have to seal them, you can actually achieve this. I love this picture. This actually was created by a designer in Italy off of a tile that's been walked on for centuries in Europe, and she actually took a photograph of it and redesigned it. It's called Centuries Pisa. It's absolutely stunning.
It absolutely is stunning. So those are marble looks in a porcelain.
In a porcelain.
So what does that mean for maintenance?
You're just going to mop it and clean it, just like you normally would.
That's amazing.
Because you have to be so careful with the other, don't you, with marble?
You do,
and they stain, they do this. There's so many things you have to worry about. But
so you can put these in showers. I mean, and you know, you're going to get those same Carrera looks that are, you know, been around forever. So you can find those in porcelains, many different sizes too, not just, you know, there's multiple sizes that are available.
Okay, great. Wow. Now stone is another very popular look, another one that is kind of messy to deal with, having in the home or outside. Let's talk about the stone looks.
Well, I think what I love about stone is that, you know, it has a lot of variation in it because it's natural beauty, and so they were able to create this so it has that movement and that texture and that look that actually is, you can get that timeless look with a porcelain tile.
Wow.
Again, mop it and
stunning.
go. This shows you, you know, the beauty of the variations in the tile, so you can see from that dark to the light. You know, so it's really beautiful.
But it's smooth, right? If I were to walk on that, it would be perfectly smooth.
It is smooth. You know, same thing. You know, you can take that, you know, stone look right into your shower. You know, use mosaics and then have your floor showers all the same.
That's beautiful.
And a stone look. Again, mop it and go.
Okay, and you can see there that, you know, it looks like it's got all that texture, but yet it's smooth. A lot of different size options in this as well?
A lot of different size options. Stone, it's endless in sizes, so you can do multiple sizes if you want to do showers, if you want to do large floors, you know, so it comes in multiple sizes.
Wow.
Okay, and then we're also talking about different patterns. So what can we do with the patterns?
Well, one thing I think when people think of stone, they think of a Versailles pattern. They think of that look that you're going to actually get with multiple size formats. So they've created a stone and a marble look that you can actually install in a pattern. This actually comes boxed with all of sizes in the box.
How cool.
So you see this only in stones and travertines, and now you can get that travertine floor with all those multiple size formats in one box. It comes already in the box.
Oh, that's so amazing.
And again, this is a stone look as well, and that pattern look. And I think what's beautiful about it is you can take it right outdoors.
Wow.
It's just amazing to me, all the different things that you can do with all of these. So speaking of the different things, variety.
Yes.
A lot of different options here.
Yes.
How do we begin to decide?
Well, you know, you have to really, sometimes it's a color format. You know, so I think, you know, with any type of stone or marble, you're going to either be looking for those grays or those whites or that travertine beige look. So you're going to start with your color palette, and then you're going to take it into what format are you looking for. Are you looking for more squares or rectangles or larger formats, wall tiles? So you have those options as well.
Do you have to worry about like maintenance or anything like that, for instance, where you put certain tiles versus another place?
No, anything with a porcelain tile can go indoors, outdoors, walls, floors.
Oh my.
Bathrooms, showers, the whole deal.
The whole deal. So you really have a lot of options.
That is
that's
amazing.
So great.
Every time you're
kids and
here,
dogs. What a joy to have
we just
time.
want to redo our homes with you. And to me, the hardest part is figuring it all out, but you have got that covered. You go to the Tile Outlets location and talk to a designer, and they will help you pick out what works in your home. Remember, locations in Fort Myers, Tampa, or of course right here on the Suncoast. The Sarasota location is on Cattleman Road, or you can find them online at tileoutlets.com. Coming up, we're going to see the results of Makeover Madness.